What's going on, guys? It is Jamie and welcome to the channel Thrift on Fire. If you're new here, I'm usually going to yard sales, thrift stores, estate sales, liquidations, anywhere when I can find stuff cheap to flip online. This past weekend was no different. It was Labor Day long weekend here in Ontario. I did get away most of the weekend, actually, Saturday, Sunday, and then didn't get home until Monday. We were gone to Toronto, Canada's Wonderland, seen a fireworks show. It was a really great weekend. But Saturday morning, I did get out and hit some yard sales. So let's see what I found. Morning.
Oh, yeah. Feel free to look. Unfold.
Wool. This is what you should be wearing right now.
Just hold it up. Like,
Oh.
Yeah, I mean, that's what it looks like.
Okay. Definitely be warm.
I wore that for years. I just love it, but for me, it's too hot.
Yeah.
But, Stompin' Tom.
Yeah. It's a good
really
one.
Big.
2006. Oh, wow.
Pardon?
2006.
Yes,
Yeah, that's cool.
So, like, 20 years ago when he was here in town. So, the only size they had, so I bought 2 of them.
Yeah, I'll grab that for sure.
Oh, good. I sleep in mine.
I'll take a look around here.
I love Tom.
Do you think you'd take?
Oh, you want to sit with me?
Do you think you'd take $10 for the dance goes?
What did I put on there?
15.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're size 9.
Yep. No, that's
Okay.
good.
Okay.
Yep. 40. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's what okay. And my dad.
All right. So 15, right?
Yeah, okay.
5 and 10.
You got a bag for that?
I'll just park not too far.
Okay.
It's okay.
Great, thanks.
Thank you.
Free to a good home.
That one.
Free to a good home, yeah?
Free to a good home.
You think it still works or you're not sure?
I have no idea.
No.
I don't think there's any reason why it wouldn't work. The
Yeah.
charger and everything's in there. But I have no idea. That's why it's, you get what you pay for. It's free. So
Yeah, for sure.
I don't know.
I'll pick it out. I'll see
Yeah,
what,
take it.
play around with it anyway. Thanks.
Yeah, take it. I mean, otherwise it just goes in the dumpster.
Yeah.
I figured somebody who likes to tinker with us nostalgia stuff.
Yeah. It's fun to play with. Thank you.
All right. Take care.
So I guess not.
No? Oh, well. Oh, those are bike boots there.
Yeah, those are bike boots.
Alrighty. Have a good one.
You too. Does this thing work as far as you know?
Oh
Yeah?
yeah.
Alrighty. I'll give you $30 for that for sure. And this is just a stand for.
That's
Yes.
just a cooling station for the video game.
Alrighty. Yeah, I'll grab that. Cooler.
It's a backpack for a motorcycle.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
but as you can tell, I don't have one more point.
Yeah. Probably one of the rare people who appreciate Pantera around here, so that's cool.
Probably.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
All right.
Sorry, I'm having trouble hearing you.
How you doing?
Not bad yourself?
Good.
That's good, man.
Do you have the cords for the Xbox?
Unfortunately, I don't.
No.
I was just given to me.
Oh, okay.
Mother-in-law was just moving out, and she saw it. She's like, "Here, you want this?" Yeah, I know.
I might still get. So, I sell stuff online, but if I look it up as parts only, I'd know if it's worth it or not.
Yeah,
Essentially,
man, no worries. You can haggle on it, man. I'm not stuck
it's
on that.
tough because. Okay, so here's one. Parts to repair them. It actually must turn on, but works is $20. But then there's one that's sold for like 27. Somewhere there was a 50 or 47. You know what I mean? It's tough because this thing is so heavy. To ship it would be like probably $20.
Easily. Yeah,
Yeah.
minimum 20.
Yeah, with cords and stuff, I would definitely grab it, but
I'd do 10. Make it worth your while.
yeah, for $10, I'll just see what happens. I maybe can even find cords for it.
Right.
Sure.
Right, 1 second. Man.
Yeah. All right, cool. Thank you.
No problem. Have a good one.
You too. Do you know if there's any more of the Monster High ones or not the...
You didn't get too many Monster High stuff, did you?
No.
I think it's just the one. It's just a quarter.
Is there?
Is there another one? Alright.
I think there's only two.
Okay. And what do you want for them?
I do 50 cents.
Here you go.
Is it Monster High?
Pretty sure.
Yep, she's got the fangs. That's it.
Good call, Lily.
What do I do with this? You just gave me money. I don't know what I do with it. Thanks.
No worries.
Yeah. Alrighty, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
I did just notice this I didn't see before. The PS3 ear thing.
Oh, your
The
thing, yeah.
Bluetooth thing, yeah. What do you want for that guy? Looks like it's never even been used.
No, hasn't even been used. I don't know. What do you feel like paying, man? I have no idea.
Give you like $5 for it?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Thought somewhere. Or maybe I just put it back in my wallet. Thought you gave me $5 back.
I did have a PS3 here and 2 controllers with all the cords and stuff, but buddy took it,
Ah.
but he forgot his game.
Oh no.
Yeah, so
Battlefield.
yeah, man, Battlefield.
That's a great game.
It is.
you know what any of the shoes are worth?
You know what? I don't know. What is it worth to you? They're Crocs. I would say those are worth at least $2, wouldn't you?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, for sure they are.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they're restaurant ones.
Yeah, those look like they're good.
Yeah.
I would say, yeah. Pretty sure she'd be fine with that. I'm just kind of, I don't know. I'm just helping her, but I really don't know.
No problem.
But I'm pretty sure she'd let it go for that.
Well, these ones are bigger.
Yeah, are those Crocs? No, those aren't.
Yeah, they're still Crocs
or are
too.
they original Crocs? Yeah.
Yeah, 14. I think these ones would actually fit my kid.
Didn't even see these. These are nice.
Yeah. They're
Nice too.
Yep, collect stuff.
I know.
Do the same thing at home. Okay. Skechers.
I didn't know what you wanted for the shoes. All
Yeah.
those. $10 for all of them?
Yep.
You want
Works for me.
to beg for it?
Sure. Yeah, I think they'll fit in there.
I don't know what size Mikey is, but it looks like they might fit. Anyway, I'll tell him to come in.
All right. $10. Thank you.
My stuff over there.
Thanks. I'll keep looking around here.
On the way back there.
Did you?
You can leave it here.
Oh, okay, it's
You want
okay.
it to,
Doesn't
but-
matter. Did you make the pickles or
No,
this?
it's from the south.
Is that where those are from?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
One of them is, I don't know, it's one of the sweet.
Who gave you the original?
Cindy.
She bought the pickles.
Okay. How far away did she get? I'm wondering what she wanted for the VCR.
She's coming. She's
Oh, okay.
getting the bread because I touched the pickles. How much do you want for that?
That's Attila's resort.
What's that?
My size.
Oh,
Atti!
I just wonder what you wanted on the VCR.
VCR?
Yeah.
I don't know, $5?
I like his
Yeah.
ring better than yours.
Oh.
Well,
Did you go all the way around?
the secret about the ring is it was different and I had to change it.
Oh. Did you go around all the way?
No, no way, man.
I know. I went down here and I was like, okay, stop.
Yeah, that's sensitive for sure. For
That's
sure.
my newest one right there.
Oh, nice.
that a
That's
GoPro
awesome.
on there?
Yeah, GoPro.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
cool.
What did I tell you? 5, right?
Yep.
10? Or I don't even know. 5, right?
Overall, I was pretty happy with all the stuff that I found on Saturday morning. And like I said, I had a great weekend after that. I will end today's video with a montage of Canada's Wonderland. Just a few rides that we went on and the fireworks show, just a little clip. If you're interested, stick around for that at the end. Also coming up in the channel, I'm going to be away next week. So I'm probably going to do a what sold at the end of this week. And then I have a video that I'm going to be working on this week so I can post it next week. It's sort of when we were in Toronto here at Canada's Wonderland, I did a private pick from somebody on Instagram. Tyler, if you're watching this, hey man, Thanks so much. Found some cool stuff, so I'm gonna kind of just do a haul video with that, show you guys what I picked up. I think I spent about $180. It's gonna turn into some pretty good profit. Worked out for both of us, honestly. But if you guys like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. Until next time, take care, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.